King Edgar, often remembered as Edgar the Peaceful, ruled England from 959 to 975 AD. His lifestyle was marked not by military conquest but by peace, consolidation, and deep respect for the Church. Unlike many of his predecessors, Edgar did not fight constant battles for control. Instead, he focused on unity, bringing together previously warring factions under a single, stable crown. Edgar lived a life that balanced royal grandeur with religious devotion. He was a strong supporter of monastic reform and worked closely with famous church leaders like Saint Dunstan and Saint Athelwold. Under his reign, dozens of monasteries were built or reformed, shaping a more disciplined and spiritually focused English church. His royal court was a center of culture, learning, and law. Edgar encouraged legal codes that promoted order and justice. His rule was so effective that, according to tradition, even the kings of Scotland and Wales acknowledged his overlordship, famously rowing him down the River Dee as a sign of loyalty. Despite his peaceful reign, Edgar was not without personal controversy. He was said to have taken a nobleman's wife by force and later married her, Elfrith, who became the first crowned queen of England. Nevertheless, his lifestyle reflected the ideals of a wise and visionary king who ruled not by sword, but by wisdom. When Edgar died in 975, he left behind a more united and spiritually rich England. His reign became a model for kingship, showing that peace, piety, and policy could build a lasting legacy.